Tonight, I would like to talk about the Dhamma talk, Ayatana session. So, Dhamma, from the Dhammanupassana, Ayatana Papa, Ayatana session. So, actually, there are 12 Ayatana, internal, external, internal, Ayatana, internal, Sakkayatana, Sodayatana, Kanayatana, Siwayatana, Kayayatana, Manayatana, the eyes, ear, nose, tongue, body, mind, or Ayatana, internal, Ayatana. So external Ayatana, Rupayatana, Saddayatana, Kanayatana, Radayatana, the Buddhavayatana, Dhammayatana, Ruparamana, Sadharamana, Kanaramana, so Rupayo, Sadhayo, Kanayo, Rasayo, Buddhavayo, Dhammayo, Dhammaramana. There are external Ayatana. So we have the eyes, see the Ruparamana, that's why. So Sakkayatana, Ruparamana become the one. That's why here talking about the so Dhamma observing the Ayatana. So Ayatana here observing the Dhammayatana. So actually we are talking about the body and mind. Body and mind, in Bali we call Nama Rupa, body and mind. Then when we elaborate more, then we call five khana. Actually, so Nama Rupa, sometimes we use the Nama Rupa, body and mind. Sometimes we use the five khana. Sometimes we use the 6 ayatana or 12 ayatanas. Sometimes we use the 80 so dhatu. Actually, we are talking about body and mind. But sometimes we use the body and mind. Sometimes we call five khana. Sometimes we call ayatana. Sometimes we call dhatu. Actually, we are talking about the body and mind. So when we talk about the 6 ayatana, Rupayatana, Saddayatana, Kanayatana, Rasayatana, Buddhavayatana, so the Sakkayatana, Sodayatana. When we talk about the 6 ayatana, Sakkayatana, Sodayatana, Kanayatana, right? Kanayatana, Siwayatana, so Kayayatana. So these are actually about the body, Rupa. So Manayatana is the mind. So when we talk about 6 ayatana, actually 5 are related to, connected to the body. The other Manayatana is the mind. So that's why, even though we call the 6 ayatana, actually body and mind, Nama Rupa. So why the Buddha talk about the ayatana? Because from seeing Sakkayatana, hearing Sodayatana, smelling Kanayatana, so tasting Siwayatana, so touching Buddhavayatana, Kayayatana, so then knowing the Manayatana. From each eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, the mind, we can still receive the kilesa. So that's why the Buddha explained how do we deal with kilesa from seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, knowing. So from the 6 ayatanas, how do we deal with kilesa from the eyes, from the ear, nose, tongue, body, mind. So every day we are seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching. Actually, if someone asks you, How do you know from seeing every day you see many things? You see many things. You hear, so you smell, taste, so touch, then knowing. So how do you know from seeing how much kilesa you receive from seeing, hearing? If someone asks you, if we are not paying attention, if we are not mindful, we don't know from seeing we are angry or upset, kilesa coming or not, hearing. So that's why the Buddha explained in detail how do we observe seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, not to come kilesa. Even the kilesa can, how do we note to remove the kilesa? So before we explain in detail about the seeing, hearing, so how much kilesa we receive, before we explain about in detail, so I would like to explain about the two kinds of kilesa. We have the two kinds of kilesa. So one is Sandana Nusya kilesa. The other is Aramana Nusya kilesa. Sandana Nusya kilesa means the kilesa we have our mind since we were born. Since we were born, we have the Nama Rupa according to our karma. So we have the kilesa, someone, Loba kilesa more, Rosa kilesa more, Moha kilesa more, Ida Mistya. There are 10 kind of kilesa. So different karma and different kilesa. So we have the kilesa since we become human beings. Call this kilesa original kilesa. We call Sandana Nusya kilesa. Original kilesa. Since we were born, we already have this kilesa. Then since we don't know how to observe it, then from seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching every day, we can still receive a lot of kilesa from seeing, so hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, knowing. We receive a lot of kilesa from eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body and mind. This kilesa we call Aramana Nusya kilesa. We see, we hear, then we don't know how to observe. That's why kilesa coming. This kilesa called Aramana Nusya kilesa. So Aramana Nusya kilesa is depend on how we grow up. Different society, different situation. So some people, they grow up in very bad society, seeing many things, or treated by others very badly. That's why so they feel every day hearing, seeing a lot of anger, a lot of lobha coming. So that's why sometimes they cannot control their mind. So from seeing, hearing, so they feel very angry, upset. So that's why, of course, they have the original kilesa. Then from the seeing kilesa, so they feel very angry. So hearing someone talk to them very bad, very strong word, see them very badly. So then they are a lot of anger, a lot of greed, either mistya. That's why some people, they cannot control their anger, even they kill others, they beat others, they steal others, then so they have to go to jail. So this kind of the phenomenon that happen because from seeing, hearing, smelling every day, they are the very bad, very poor society. So that's why every day they receive a lot of anger, lobha, then they feel very angry. Even we grow up in very good society, we can still see many stories. Sometimes we see someone dying by car accident very badly. So look at very scary. And sometimes someone dying by car accident or by fire or something. Or sometimes we see so many dead bodies if we see those kind of things, so sometimes some people, when they see, they cannot forget it. They are scary all the time, even they cannot sleep. Even some people, they became abnormal because from seeing, hearing, so they became so very scared, worried, cannot sleep. This kind of image seeing over and over. So there are many stories in our life, in Vietnam or in Myanmar. There are many stories because of those kind of seeing, hearing, very terrible, seeing image, seeing the dead body, story, or sometimes very harsh word, very angry, someone hit them. Sometimes this kind of the kilesa scare people, stay their mind very long. They cannot be normal way because since they see image or scary hearing, so they worry, scare, cannot sleep, cannot do the normal way. Even the some people, so they became abnormal. Some people, even though they are normal, but they are still worrying a lot. So some people, their father, mothers are very close, husband, wife, children, relatives, friends. So when they are very close, when they are passing away or sometimes they disappear in this life, they don't know, we don't know where they are going. Of course, some people they are dying, but some people they are disappear from the house, so we don't know where they will go. Sometimes your business lost, so sometimes so your property to others, so there are many reasons, many things happening. So sometimes some people they suffer a lot. Even though many years, when they remember, they cry again for their husband, wife, children, loved ones, relatives, their possessions, so property. When they, even though many years, but when they think about something, they feel sad, crying, so upset, because those kind of sadness from seeing, hearing, smelling, knowing, doesn't go away, stay our mind, keep our mind, so they stay very long. Then if we don't remember, it is okay, we are just normal. But someday occasion, similar occasion we see, then those kind of sadness come back, then people feel sad, cry. So then sometimes some people they have the so very good life, they are enjoying very much with their relatives, children, husband and wife. Sometimes they take vacation, they watch movie. So those kind of happiness also, even though many years later, when the similar occasion happen to you, you can see back, you can feel back from the many years happiness, the love you feel, because at the time, so you keep this kind of happiness in the mind, stay this love happiness for many years. When you have the similar occasion happen, even though many years later, you can see those kind of experience back. So what is the differences between so observing the object, the seeing, hearing, the yogis, and not observing, seeing, hearing? So when we practice meditation, then we observe, seeing, hearing. So when you improve, so you can see so clearly from seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, we see clearly, we receive the lobha kilesa. So if we do not note, then the kilesa appear next time, next day, next month. So next year, if we can note, so this kilesa, just seeing, just hearing, So if you understand how to observe it, so you can understand at that moment, we know, seeing, hearing, smelling, touching the moment, it is stop. In that moment, then carry on those kind of seeing kilesa. So next time, because at the moment, we observe it. For example, when you are eating, so when you are eating with the mindfulness, so you know you are eating, you know it is delicious, good, sometimes you know you have the lobha, you observe it. When you are eating with the mindfulness, everything you observe, you know delicious, this is good taste, not good taste. So then you observe it at the moment, you like it, do not like it. Then at the moment, you see the kilesa is during the time just finished. Those kind of like or dislike cannot carry on because at the moment you observe it. If you cannot observe it, then this like a desire, you remember this kind of food, so again, or you don't like it, sometimes you anger when you see this kind of food because you don't like it. So at the moment when you observe it carefully, then the sukha, dukkha just finished. So then just finished also remembering this is go or not go, will not remember, sinya will not carry on. At the moment, Vedana finished. Since the Vedana finished, remembering sinya will not carry on at the time it's finished. So if you do not observe it, then you like it, you have the oh, I like it, this kind of food. I don't like it. Then this, the lobha dosa carry on your mind. So carry in your mind, then when they have the similar occasion, we see so lobha or dosa back. This is the differences between observing the food carefully with the vipassana, cannot observe the food with the vipassana, we see the two differences. If you see the dead body, at that moment you know seeing, then the dead body image cannot carry on your mind. If you cannot know, you are very scared when you see the dead body, then the senya keep the scary thing in your body, so in the head, body and mind. So then if you see the very beautiful, so very beautiful person, or male, female, if you are male, so then you like it, even though you want home, but still this person image, still you can appear in your mind because you like it. Sometimes you hate someone, also this kind of people can appear because lobha, dosa. If you like it, that person stay in your mind. If you hate it, that person stay in your mind. You see this kind of image. If you are scary something to others, their body, others, so if you cannot know, stay in your mind. When the occasion occurs, you feel scared, you feel angry, upset, or sometimes you feel the kama raga because you like it someone. So because from seeing the kankan, lobha, dosa, moha, kilesa, since we cannot observe seeing. So I would like to explain in more detail how we receive kilesa from seeing. So how what kind of mind we have. Actually when we see the object, so there are 7 kind of mind happening at that moment. So number 1, we call Piensa Dwara Vajana. Piensa Dwara Vajana means we are investigating the object Piensa Dwara Vajana from the eyes, from the ear. When we see the object, firstly, we have the Piensa Dwara Vajana. So investigating the object, then Saku Vijnana, seeing the object. So then, so Samparishana, accepting the object. Sandidana. So we to investigate this is so beautiful or not beautiful Sandidana. And this is the white or the red. So then we decided or this is a good, this is a not good, beautiful, not beautiful. Then Jawana. So when we sometimes we have the kusala say kusala so sometimes akusala so then dharamana. Actually seeing the one moment there are 6 kind of mind we have. Number 1, Yinsadvara Vajana. And number Sakku Vijnana, seeing the mind. Then accepting Dhammasana, Sandidana. We investigate more. Then Bodho we decided go or bad. Then Jawana. So sometimes Kusala, sometimes Akusala. Then Dharamana. So at the moment, seeing the moment, actually we have the 7 kind of mind. So for example, when you see someone, so there's someone coming, firstly, the person's image cross your eyes in Chadvara, coming to your eyes in Chadvara Vajana. Then you have the seeing the person, the Sakku Vijnana, you see the person, and you accept, this is the man, or this is a woman, Sambrasana. So then you Sandidana, when you accept a woman as man, or this is tall or short, beautiful or not beautiful, then you decide, this is a man, or this is a woman, a beautiful eyes, beautiful hair, beautiful clothes, beautiful body. So at that moment, if you decided as beautiful, if you have the Lobha mind, we have the Lobha soul. So if you decided, this is a monk, or the monk coming from Myanmar, or the person Myanmar, or Searo meditation teacher, or this is a very respectable Searo. So if you decided as monk, then you have the Kusala soul. So means when we see the object, so when you have the Lobha, you have the Tana, then you have the Akusala mind. Seeing the object, you have the Saddha, you have the Kusala mind from seeing the object. From the seeing one moment, Yinsadvara Vajana, Sakku Vijnana, Sambrasana, Sandidana, Otho, Dharayo, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, knowing. One moment, this mind happens, that's what we call Vitisik. Vitisik means this only happens so very quick, kind of one Siddha. Actually, there are 7 kind of Siddha from seeing the moment. There are 7 kind of Siddha we call Sakku Vijnana Viti, seeing the moment, the theory of the mind. So, because of the happening very quick, even sometimes we don't know, we receive the Lobha or Dosa, Moha. So, because at the moment, very quick, if we do not have the very good mindfulness, so if we do not observe from seeing, hearing, we can receive Lobha, Dosa, Moha. Sometimes we don't know, we don't pay enough attention at the moment, Moha Kilesa. If we do not observe, we can receive from the 6 ayatana, Lobha, Dosa, Moha Kilesa. If your concentration, mindfulness, so very, very good. So at the moment, you can observe seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, moment. So when you can observe it, there will be no kusala, akusala arise. Only the seeing, just seeing, hearing. So if you have the very good concentration, mindfulness, you can observe just seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching. So no lobha, no kusala, akusala arise, just seeing, hearing. This is a very advanced observing. But if your mindfulness concentration is okay, sometimes you observe it, but still we can receive. So we receive the loba from seeing. Sometimes we receive the dosa. Sometimes we receive the kusala a few times, 1 or 2 times. We note that, then go away. Sometimes we note that several times we are angry, upset, like it, do not like it. Several times they go away means you still have the good concentration observing the object, because after you observe several times, the kilesa go away. So that's why in the Ariya Arhanta, they have no loba, no dosa, moha. Since that they don't have the loba, dosa, moha, from seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, this kind of object, just the seeing, hearing moment finished. Will not come to their mind, stay there, because they don't have attachment, they don't have the hatred. Just seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, knowing the moment, finished. So those kind of seeing image, hearing, go or bad, will not stay, because so seeing the moment, finished. Hearing the moment. So of course they have the Ariya Arhanta, they have the 5 khanda too. Rupa khanda, Vedana khanda, Sanya khanda, Sankhara khanda, Vijnana khanda. But the difference is they have the 5 khanda like others, but so they don't have the kilesa. That's why they don't keep any memory, good or bad, in their mind. So ordinary people, they have the 5 khanda. Why they have the keep seeing the image, hearing, smelling, tasting, touching, all the kilesa, because loba, dosa, moha. Means loba, dosa, moha is like glue. Right? Because of loba, dosa, the see image, you see something, you like it, you do not like it, cannot go away. Because loba, dosa is really keep it. So like the glue, loba, dosa, moha, that's why like it, stay the mind, do not like it, stay the mind. I mean, that's why hate, angry, upset, cry, happy, excited. Because Arhanta, so Ariya Arhanta, they have the 5 khanda, but they don't have the loba, dosa, moha, any kilesa. That's why. So because since they don't have the kilesa, every like or dislike do not stay their mind. The ordinary people, they have the 5 khanda, they have the kilesa. That's why like or do not like it, kilesa, stay their mind. This is the difference. So then Anagam, Sagaragam, Sotabana, of course, compared to ordinary people, they are less kilesa. But they can still receive the sun kilesa, because they cannot remove all kilesa. But for the Vipassana yogis, so when you are in retreat, you can observe rising, falling, lifting, moving for placing, seeing, hearing. As long as you are observing the object, the kilesa cannot come. Of course, if you forget, the kilesa come. So that's why Vipassana is very important for our life, to purify our mind, not to receive the kilesa, also less kilesa. As long as we are observing, not forget, so we are observing carefully, that the kilesa cannot come. But of course, if you forget, sometimes come, few times, you observe it, go away. So that's why this kind of benefit is, the more you practice, the more you see the benefits. In order to understand everything, so without your own experience, it's not easy. So that's why, so my suggestion is, now I talk about 5 khanda, ayatana, how to observe kilesa or not kilesa. So of course you can understand from the Dhamma talk, in order to have your own benefits, how to observe, seeing, hearing. This kind of, so Dhamma is the more we observe, the more we practice, the more we see the benefits, the more we see the how we see the object, how we respond for the object, how we note how the kilesa disappear, not to coming, we see clearly, we receive the kilesa, or we remove the kilesa, we don't receive the kilesa, because every moment we are mindful. So the more we are mindful, the more we see benefits for those kind of observing. So that's why our yogis, now you already practice about 35 days, and you still have about 5 more days. Of course, the whole our life, we have to practice. So if you would like to see the benefits of practicing, if you would like to have the less kilesa, reduce kilesa, the practicing the Buddha's teaching is really important. So really, we see the very helpful. So that's why you understand how to observe it. That's all for tonight. The Ayatana session Dhamma talk from the Dhammanupassana.